We believe the problem of police morale is a serious problem. And it can be addressed by a number of factors, some of which I won't go into in any detail here. We have said that, like we did as a party in 1997, pull out the police negotiations out of the long line of public sector negotiations and negotiate the police first, because the problem of crime is an urgent problem and people are dying every day and we're expecting the police to be on the line every day. But we have also said, and this is the particular point I want to raise today, replenish the legal defense fund for the police. That's not a big money. That is $20 million we are putting. Later this week, police who have been accused in a matter in Clarendon are before the courts. Their lawyers have withdrawn their services because they are owed tens of millions of dollars. The lawyers on the other side, the lawyers prosecuting them, have been paid by the government. Government is supposed to take up the police bill, but it is not right, it's simply not fair to allow the police to go and face the courts without legal representation because their government, in whose service they are acting, has failed to act to provide legal defense services for them.